Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Patrick, and today we're going to be discussing the best way to basically make money through crypto, as well as kind of reasons why you should be invested in it if you aren't already. Now, we're going to get straight into it, but before we get started, I would just like to thank you all for the support in the last video. It's gotten quite a bit of views already. Currently in a day, and I'm actually going to show you the price. I have Bitcoin pulled up because we'll be talking about that in a second, but we're going to pull up the price of Safe BTC right now. Since the last video I made was about Safe BTC, and as you can see, it's 0.00025, and when I recorded the video, it was 0.0 blah 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 4. So there was no 2 here. It was just 0 and then 4, and it's risen probably about 20x because it went to 0.3334 it went to, so which is all-time high, which is insane, right? And all-time low again 10 days ago, right? 5,000%. That would have been a 50x return on your money, but it's crazy. It's insane. But I'm just gonna kind of discuss a little bit why you should be trying to earn money with crypto. I recommend it a lot because stocks, you won't see the biggest return on stocks than you can on crypto. Now, there's some truth to that. It all depends on the market, things like that, the project. But I'm gonna talk about kind of the crypto side of it, and the reason why is because crypto is highly volatile, as you already know. We saw Bitcoin go to 59,000. I think it was at 61,000, then it dropped to 51,000. And when that dump happened, a lot of the other altcoins, they kind of dumped as well. But that's the thing, you could be up 50% in your portfolio in a day, and you could also be down 50% in a day. So that's kind of like the volatility behind crypto. And the number one thing you could do, which is probably the first thing on my list, is hodl. So hold your crypto, right? You could do it with more stable coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, things like that aren't going to really fluctuate in price because basically, look, the high market cap, the number of or the trading volume, like the size of it, right? Bitcoin, you're not going to really see this. You're not going to lose half your money just by putting it in right now. But then again, that could change tomorrow. It could dump a little bit. It could raise. You never know what the markets. But that's what I recommend in the long run, is to hodl. Now, you could even do it with any altcoins. I hodl. I tend not to take out any money even if I'm down, because what's the point, right? You're trying to make money, and crypto, like an investment, it goes down, right? You're not always going to see it raise. You're not always going to see you gain money. So the best thing to do is just hodl and hold your crypto long term, because you could be down for a month and you don't know when the next big pump will happen with your coin, whatever coin you're holding. And so that would be the first thing. The second thing after hodling, holding, whatever you want to call it, is buy a dividend paying cryptocurrencies. Now, getting into this, it's kind of like the same as stock dividends. They'll pay you annually. But there are a number of coins that will get you paid simply for buying and holding their assets, right? The best thing about these coins paying dividends to the holders is you don't even have to stake them, especially in a wallet. You just leave it, right? And some of the examples would be a COSS, CEFF, NEO, and KuCoin, and there's a bunch more. As you can see, there are some here, KuCoin shares, and a number of supported exchanges. Whatever estimated annual dividend, this is what it would pay out, and some of these could be updated, things like that. But just like the conventional stocks, right, not all of these coins are suitable for your portfolio. You'll have to analyze and pick out what seems to align with your investment objectives yourself, right? So it'd be kind of on your own terms. What do you want to get into? I would recommend doing some more research on dividends, but it's really good. Like, if you have some money to spare, I would recommend, because it puts it in, right, a number of different cryptocurrencies, and it pays you out annually, right, as you can see listed here. But this is kind of the website I pulled up. You can go down the list. This is bitcoinmarketjournal.com, best dividend cryptocurrencies. You can look on this website and you can kind of find out for yourself. It kind of ranks them a little bit, but again, completely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor or expert of any sorts. Again, I'm just an avid crypto investor. Now, I would say the third thing would be Masternodes, and it's kind of a bit complicated in terms what is a crypto masternode. These are basically full nodes that motivate operators of the various nodes to execute their roles in operating a blockchain per se. So in other words, a masternode is a cryptocurrency full node, or basically a computer wallet that maintains a real-time record of a blockchain's activities. Kind of a bit complicated, it's a bit technical, but the idea behind the masternodes is a bit technical in nature. But below, I'll leave kind of in the description below a simplified explanation so you can kind of read on it instead of listening as well. So running a crypto masternode is probably one of the most popular ways of earning passive income in crypto. But how exactly do you do it, right? So many cryptocurrencies pay node operators to maintain a real-time record of their activities on their native blockchains. So since the process is complex and requires one to maintain a certain minimum number of coins under their masternodes, crypto platforms prefer outsourcing the service to masternode operators at a fee. So examples of proof of stake cryptos that have masternodes include Dash and PIVX. So as you can see, the number one, Dash, right? And you can look at the price, the volume, the market cap, and the return, ROI, return on investment. It's about 6.23%, which is pretty good. And as you can see, some of them have even higher ones, 37%, 32%, 58%. That's insane. But again, right? What's required? 1,000, minimum worth 324,000, right? So not a lot of people are going to have 300 grand lying around, right? But you get the idea. Do some research on it for masternodes. If you have that kind of money, do some research on it, and even if you don't, you could even get started, right? Some of them, as you can see, energy, minimum worth 3,300, right? 1,000. So some of them 100,000, right? But then again, the price difference, things like that, right? So here's the website masternodes.online. You can do your own research as well. These probably are the best, I would assume, as they have it on the top ranking, Dash being the number one. A lot of people use it. But yeah, this is masternodes. I'll kind of leave a little bit in the description of what I just said of what masternodes are to kind of give you a better example. It's a bit technical, but just do your own research. Just a quick Google search will help. And now for probably the number 4, I would say, is staking, right? Everybody loves staking crypto. Not a lot of people do it, but this is another method of earning money from cryptocurrencies. So it offers a double earning potential through price appreciation and dividend payout from selected coins for staking, or proof of stake, whatever you want to call it, for their digital assets. Staking involves holding coins in a live wallet, thus allowing you to earn additional coins for securing that particular crypto for the network. Some example of coins that can be staked include NAV, NEO, VeChain, as you can see on screen, Ethereum Classic, you got Decred, you got, like I said in the previous, you got PIVX, PIVX, whatever you want to call it, and you got some here, Bitcoin Cash. And here's the website. I'm on coinmarketexpert.com, and this is probably the best performing as they have it here. Say again, do your own research, don't take my word on it. Again, like I said, I'm not an expert on this. I rarely stake. That's just because I see my money more I like to put it in different cryptocurrencies that I think have potentials. I like to try and go for the moonshot gems. Personally, why? Because you can make a lot of money doing moonshot, and that is what I'm going to be kind of talking about for the last one, is kind of finding pump and dumps, right? But yeah, here's the website. You can kind of take a look for yourself, and I'm sure you guys already know Avalanche, Balance, or Band Protocol. A lot of people like to stake. You can do it on many different wallets and exchanges. You just have to kind of pick your preference, do a little bit of research on yourself. But staking, you can earn, it's again annually, right? There's a few different ones, a few videos I did before. There's Mobify, which I recommend getting into long term. They offer staking. Same with me, Mercurity Protocol, whatever you want to call it, they offer staking as well. But then again, for the 5th and last final option, I would say is pump and dumps, right? Now for a pump and dump, I'm just going to do a quick Google search because I didn't have it listed, but this will kind of pump and dump crypto. This will kind of give you a better example. I didn't even spell that right. But you could click on any even link, right? It'll tell you what a pump and dump is. Is pump and dump illegal in crypto? No. Cryptocurrency still remains largely unregulated, and since the SEC does not class Ethereum like cryptocurrencies as security, that means anything goes. And what that means is it's kind of like what Reddit and everybody was doing for GameStop, right? They pump the currency, and you want to find that. And the best way to do that, I'm just going to pull it up right now, is crypto moonshots. Where is it? Here we go. I recommend this. Again, you vet out the projects because a lot of them are scams. Some of them, right, meme coins you can do. They have new coins, early development, low market cap coins. And this is where a lot of the pump and dumps happen. Why? You got 230,000 members. You got 15,000 online right now. Now imagine you get in early, say when somebody launches and you vet it out yourself. You say, okay, this is a good project. You get in. You could double, triple, even quadruple your money overnight. Because of the amount of people that'll buy into it, right? You got 197 comments, 600 people upvoted it. So imagine even if half those people bought in and they're averaging a few $1,000s, you know, you could make quite a bit of money in pump and dumps, but you have to be on the cautious side, because if you get in on the wrong side of the pump and dump, on the dump side, you could lose your money, right? Because they'll just dump on you. And that's happened with a lot of different cryptocurrencies. The one that I talked about in the last video was COC, Cocktail Bar Finance. That was a pump and dump I found through crypto moonshots, and I doubled my money overnight. I didn't even bother waiting. I could have tripled it, but I just got out because what's the point of holding, right? You double your money, get out in a pump and dump, but that would be honestly the easiest way. Again, it's risky, right? There's other ways you can make money too. Trading crypto, right? Forex, you can do it on MetaTrader 4. You can trade cryptos, buy and sell. So long term, short term, you guys already know that, I'm sure. But yeah, just invest into crypto. Again, don't take my word on anything I said in this. Take this as entertainment. I'm just an avid crypto investor. I've made a lot of money through crypto, and it's just kind of my personal opinion. So take it as you wish, but if you made it this far to the video, I am giving away $50 in crypto. I know it's not a lot, but I just wanted to show some support for the last video that I did, because it did get quite a bit of views. And yeah, so all you have to do is leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you're invested in. And I'll pick somebody at random. I'll message them for your address. It'll be in either Bitcoin or Ethereum, because those are just the easiest cryptos to send in, right? And you can put it on whatever you wish. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I hope you all have an amazing investing week, trading week, whatever you're doing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.